So here is how to fix Steam not downloading games. So first you want to open Steam and then come to the top left here, click on Steam and then go to settings. And in here you want to go to the downloads section. And now make sure you want to select select a region that is very close to you or your main region where you live. So click on the drop down and pick the best region for you or your region. And scroll down a bit and click on clear cache. Now before you do that, make sure limit download speed is unchecked like this. Then click on clear cache to clear download cache, and then click confirm, and that should reboot Steam and prompt you to log in again. Now once Steam is rebooted and you logged in again, go back to the top left, click on Steam and then click on settings, and in here you want to click on the library section and then click on repair library. It's the storage section, and then click on the three dots in here and then click on repair library, and now wait for it to repair your Steam library. Now you can press close and then come back to the downloads section. And in here, make sure throttle downloads while streaming is disabled. Next, you can close this and then close out of the Steam, and then right click on Windows logo, go to settings, and in here you want to search for Defender or Windows Defender. Then click on Windows Defender Firewall. Then click on Allow an app or feature through firewall. Now click on Change Settings, and in here you want to look for Steam. So as you can see here, make sure it's checked, and make sure public and private settings are enabled as well. Now if you don't see Steam in here, you can click on Allow another app and then browse to Steam, which is under Program Files 86, Steam folder, and then steam.exe. Then you can press add to add it to this list and make sure all of the settings are enabled. Next, press OK, and then you can close this. Now we want to close this one and then run the command prompt or terminal for Windows 11 as admin, which is basically cmd. And in here we want to run the following command: ipconfig /flush dns. Press enter. Now you can simply close this and then right click on the Steam logo or Steam icon and click on run as admin. Make sure Steam is completely closed before doing this. So once Steam runs again, try to download the games you're trying to download, and if that still does not solve the problem, what you can do is right click on the Windows logo, go to installed apps, and then in here you want to find Steam. You can search for it, click on three dots and then click on uninstall, and then you want to right click on Windows logo, click on run, and in here we want to type %, local app data %, press enter, and in here we want to search for Steam. Now if you see Steam folder, right click on it and click delete. Next we want to open our browser and go to Steam, and in here we want to click on install Steam and download and perform a fresh install of Steam by clicking install, and it should start downloading the installer. And then you will need to follow the steps to install Steam again and log into your account, and that should solve the problem generally. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.